What is going on? I don't know why I buy these things. I don't know, okay? But it's kind of cute. Hi guys, and welcome back. So today, well, first of all, I know this background is really wrinkly and kind of old. I don't know what to do with it. I mean, should I use an iron to iron this a little bit? I think I would just burn everything here because I'm just too clumsy. So I'm sorry, I do apologize for this. And the lighting is a bit odd, but what can you do? Nothing. So I will work with this. For this video, I do have a very interesting clothing and accessories haul for you. And I will show you a lot of Asian clothing companies today. I bought some stuff, I received some stuff, so I will show you, how it looks in pictures, how it looks on me. Some of these websites from which I love to buy Asian clothing sometime, they do have that standard super skinny Asian type of model. So I think it will be nice to see something on me, which, I do have like an average body. And for reference, I'm usually on tops, I'm like in UK 8 or like US 4 usually. But sometimes if I want a looser look, I can go for a UK 10. For my bottoms, I'm usually a UK 10 because I do have a bigger butt. Another interesting fact with some of these Asian clothing companies, they do sometimes carry just one size for some items, or there are companies totally that have for all their items just one size, which, on one hand is quite stupid. On the other hand, it will be interesting and intriguing to see how they actually look on somebody like me. Now, the first thing that I wanted to mention, and I was actually sent these items, it's Talever, which is a very affordable clothing company. And in their case, they do actually carry different sizes, so that's great. They do carry a small, extra small, a large, a medium. The first item that I wanted to show you is something really unique for me, or unique in my clothing collection, because I usually stay away from, jumpsuits. But this one is really cute, and it's this one with this really kind of funny print. So you have like polka dot, mustardy and white. It has these straps which you can modify, you can adjust them, and it's just very flowy in general. I got this in the size medium, and I just love the entire vibe of this item. Really summery, and I love mustard. I don't know why I have a thing for mustardy clothes. I'm not sure if they look amazing on me or not, but let me know. The next dress is again super summery and kind of combines two styles in a way, because you have again this like black polka dot, and you also have the check print in this pink and white. This one is like that fake wrap dress with ruffles, because you cannot really tie it. You have a zipper in the back, but again it's super flowy. I also have a skirt, which is this one. I do already own a dress with this print, but it's in black, and this one is like the skirt version of that dress. It's super flowy, again a bit more see-through, but it's fine. I mean, again, if you wear like nude underwear, it will be fine. I love the ruffly details, and I really like this print. Now, this next dress is a very, I would say, popular style for the summer, and you've probably seen a lot of girls wearing something like this. And it's this one which has buttons. It has like mid-length, and you can tie this bust area. It's like a fake bustier in a way. It's in this gorgeous like navy kind of color. You can wear it just like this, or you can wear it with like a white t-shirt underneath. And this fake bustier thing in here, you can actually adjust this and make your boobies a bit larger looking. And the last item from Talever is a skirt, which I call it that super sexy white leather skirt. And this is how it looks like. So it's just white faux leather, and it has all the zips around, and yeah, you should be careful with the zip because it can go down very fast. It is super tight on me, but at the same time kind of accentuates my bum. That was all for Talever. I will leave, all the links to all these items in the description box, so check them out. Okay, now I will talk about Style Nanda. Style Nanda is just a special place for me. I visited their store in Tokyo when I was in Tokyo, and it was magical. It was so interesting, so like kawaii. I love it. That Japanese kind of vibe. Although I don't think they're Japanese, I think they're from Korea. But anyway, I love the store, and I really like sometimes the items that they do have on their website. So the first thing that I bought, and it's actually in that one size category, is this dress that I'm wearing right now, and I will show you right now how it looks on me. A bit more like a Victorian style, like nightgown kind of style dress. I don't know, the perfect baby doll kind of dress for me, and I'm just a sucker for this kind of things. And I know that sometimes they don't look perfect, but still I wanted to, you know, I wanted to have it. I like the material, I like all these lacy details. Sometimes I don't like a lace on a dress, especially if it's white, like, no. But for this one, I will give it a pass. I don't know why I like this. I don't like the end of the dress because it creates this like balloony, bouffant kind of effect, which I'm not a massive fan of, but I think with the right styling, this should be okay. Next up, I do have this little dress, again from Stylemanda, and it's that classic wrap dress in this gorgeous ivory color. I love this dress so much. And again, this one comes in one size, and I was a bit, you know, scared. I love the elasticated waist and how you again can tie this. It is that really nice quality kind of linen-y cotton material. I also ordered a few items from YesStyle, and this is the first one. And again, on the model, this looks so nice, and on me, kind of, you know, it's fine. It's not the best, but it's fine. I like the quality, and I like this very interesting knitted material, because it's more of that summery knit, not really for winter because it's not super thick, but still I'm not really mad. It's okay, it will work, but I wish it was like, I mean, I wish it stayed on my body, like on the model's body, but yeah. And then I do have a little blouse. That this was kind of a disappointment for me, because again, on the model it looks completely different. It looks a bit more thicker and not see-through, but this is so see-through, and this is like a blouse. And I love again these ruffly details on the arms, on the sleeves, and I love actually, you know, these little buttons, but this is so sheer and kind of short. So yeah, I'm just super confused about this blouse. So it's just completely different from what I've seen, you know, on the website. So this was a disappointment. I will still wear it, of course, because it looks nice with jeans and stuff like this, but why? And here is the last clothing item, which matches again perfectly my background. Like, this is not actually the exact color, it's a bit more pastel-y, but still kind of matchy. This one again is that one size as all the previous items, if I forgot to mention that. This one I bought from the website called coding.com, and it's actually out of stock, but I found basically the same dress on the same website, but from a different brand. So I guess they kind of, you know, have this design in that factory, and a lot of brands do this or whatever, and it's actually cheaper, because I think I bought this with $60, and for the other brand is like 45, something like that. So is this pinky moment. This again looked really nice on the model, and I loved it. Again, it's a bit more see-through than I thought, and it's a bit more rigid because it contains more linen in it, so it's not super soft. However, it's still nice, and it's very interesting, I mean, how these arms are constructed, and how again it's like a wrap dress. So again, I'm waiting for that vacation or going somewhere where it's warm, because in Edinburgh right now in Scotland is raining. So yeah, we're having a great end of summer. The last item that I wanted to show you is actually a little bag. And I got this, again I bought it on YesStyle, I think, and don't laugh, but I just really liked it. and it's this little heart. Like, how cute is this? This is like a faux leather material and gold hardware. It actually, this hardware is super scratched, so I don't know where this little bag has been, but okay, what can I say? And you also have this gold long strap with this. I think it's very cute, so you can wear it as a clutch. Because these are detachable, you can just, you know, wear it like this. I don't know, this thing just, sometimes I'm just buying these things, okay? So I believe I will scratch this a lot if I wear it just once. I'll probably destroy it, but I mean, it was not super expensive. It was not expensive at all. So I wanted to have something like this, and look, it's right inside. What is going on? I don't know why I buy these things. I don't know, okay? But it's kind of cute. So let me buy them, okay? Let me have a moment. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will definitely film more of these in the future because yeah, I have some of these moments, you know, when I buy these Asian clothing items, and then sometimes I regret this, but what can I do? A girl wants to buy clothes, so this is life. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Take care and bye.